Did you know that after 50, your risk of developing a sight-threatening eye condition skyrockets? It's a startling reality that catches many people off guard, even those who have always enjoyed perfect vision in their younger years. The changes can be subtle at first, but they can quickly become life-altering if ignored. It's a fact we can't ignore. Our eyes, just like the rest of our bodies, undergo significant changes as we age. Yet, most of us don't realize how much our daily habits and health choices can impact our long-term vision. Many of us accept blurry vision as just another part of aging, like gray hair or wrinkles. We shrug it off, thinking it's inevitable, and put off getting our eyes checked, not realizing that early intervention can make all the difference. But what if this decline is actually a warning sign from your body, urging you to pay attention before it's too late? Your eyes might be trying to tell you something important about your overall health, not just your vision. After 50, the structures inside your eyes change. The retina, lens, and even the tiny blood vessels become more vulnerable to damage from things like high blood pressure, diabetes, and even prolonged sun exposure. The lens stiffens, making it harder to focus up close, presbyopia. This is why you might find yourself holding books or your phone farther away, or needing brighter light to read. But that's just the start. Other changes, like dry eyes, floaters, and increased sensitivity to glare, can creep in, making everyday tasks more challenging. The real danger? Silent conditions like glaucoma and macular degeneration, which can steal your vision before you notice any symptoms. These diseases often progress painlessly, making regular eye exams absolutely essential. Imagine not recognizing your loved ones' faces or losing the confidence to drive at night. Everyday joys and independence can slip away without warning. This is a reality for millions who don't take proactive steps to protect their vision. But it doesn't have to be your story. Age-related macular degeneration is a leading cause of vision loss over 50, and cases are rising. But knowledge is power. By learning about the risks and taking action, you can dramatically reduce your chances of serious vision loss. We don't have to accept fading vision as our destiny. With regular checkups, a healthy diet, and protective habits, you can keep your eyes strong and your world in focus. Let's take action now to protect and strengthen our eyes for a brighter, clearer future. Because your vision is worth fighting for at every age. When text gets blurry, most of us grab reading glasses. They're a quick fix, snapping the world back into focus. But have you noticed you need them more and more? That's the spectacle trap. Glasses compensate for blurry vision, but don't address the root cause. They're a crutch, not a cure. Relying solely on glasses can make your eye muscles lazy, speeding up decline and dependency. Over time, you end up needing stronger prescriptions. Reading glasses are helpful, but they shouldn't be your only strategy. Think of them as an assistant. You're still in charge of your eye health. Let's look beyond the lens and explore ways to strengthen our eyes from within. It's time to break free from the spectacle trap and train our eyes to be stronger. When glasses and contacts become a daily hassle, fogging up, getting lost, or just feeling uncomfortable, many people start to wonder if there's a better solution out there. That's when eye surgeries like LASIK or other corrective procedures come into the picture, promising a more permanent fix and the freedom from lenses. The idea of waking up and seeing clearly without reaching for glasses is incredibly tempting. For many, these surgeries can be truly life-changing, restoring confidence and independence. But it's important to remember that surgery is a major decision. The costs can be significant, and most insurance plans don't cover elective vision correction. Plus, every surgery carries some risk, no matter how routine it seems. Complications, while rare, do happen. Some people experience dry eyes, glare at night, or even find they still need glasses for certain tasks. Sometimes, results aren't as perfect as hoped. Most surgeries can correct your vision, but they can't stop the natural aging process inside your eyes. Conditions like presbyopia, where reading up close becomes difficult, will still develop over time. Newer procedures are being developed to address these age-related changes, but they often come with their own set of trade-offs, and may not be suitable for everyone. Remember, surgery is just one tool in the toolbox. It can improve how you see, but it doesn't address the underlying health of your eyes or prevent future problems. Before making any decisions, take time to explore non-invasive, natural ways to support your vision, like nutrition, eye exercises, and healthy lifestyle habits. Strengthening your eyes from the inside out can benefit everyone, whether you choose surgery or not. Good habits today can help preserve your vision for years to come. So, take your time, do your research, and consider all your options carefully before making a decision about your eye health. Eye drops are a common sight in medicine cabinets, offering relief for dry eyes or managing conditions like glaucoma. For dry eye, artificial tears soothe discomfort, while prescription drops can be essential for conditions like glaucoma. But over-the-counter drops for redness or irritation are just temporary fixes. Overuse can cause rebound redness and dependency, especially with drops containing preservatives. Treating symptoms isn't the same as solving the root problem. Instead of masking discomfort, ask why your eyes are irritated. Screen time, dehydration, or lack of nutrients. Addressing the cause is the key to lasting eye health. Your eyes are controlled by a complex network of tiny muscles, and just like any other muscle in your body, they can be trained, strengthened, and kept in good shape with regular exercise. Many people don't realize that eye muscles need attention too, especially as we age. Staring at screens, reading books for long periods, or focusing on close-up tasks can strain these muscles, leading to eye fatigue, dryness, and even headaches. Over time, this can reduce your eye's flexibility and make it harder to shift focus between near and far objects. To help your eyes recover, try the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something at least 20 feet away for 20 seconds. This simple practice gives your eyes a much-needed break and helps them reset. Making this a habit can help prevent digital eye strain, reduce headaches, and keep your vision feeling fresh throughout the day. It's a small change that can have a big impact on your comfort. Another great exercise is palming. Rub your hands together to create warmth, then gently cup your palms over your closed eyes. Breathe deeply and relax in the darkness for a few minutes, letting your eyes rest and recover from the light and strain. Palming is like a mini meditation for your eyes, helping to calm your mind and soothe tired muscles. It's a wonderful way to reset during a busy day or after long periods of concentration. Focus shifting is another helpful technique. Hold your thumb about 10 inches from your face, focus on it, then shift your gaze to something across the room. Alternate back and forth several times. This exercise keeps your eye muscles active and flexible. These simple exercises help combat muscle laziness, support your eye's natural function, and can even improve your ability to focus on different distances with ease. Try to incorporate these routines into your daily life. Just a few minutes each day can improve your eye flexibility, reduce discomfort, and help you feel more energized. Remember, small habits practiced consistently can make a big difference in your overall eye health and quality of life. Take control of your vision health, one simple exercise at a time, and enjoy clearer, more comfortable sight every day. You are what you eat, and your eyes need specific nutrients to stay healthy. Bright, colorful foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and pumpkins are rich in beta-carotene, vital for eye function. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, collards are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your macula. Omega-3 fatty acids from oily fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, help prevent dry eyes and support retinal health. Not a fish fan? Try flax seeds, chia seeds, or walnuts. Vitamins C and E, found in citrus, berries, nuts, and avocados, protect against free radical damage. Zinc, found in lean meats, beans, and fortified cereals, helps deliver vitamin A to your retina. Eating a rainbow of these foods is a delicious way to feed your sight. No complicated diets, just smart, colorful choices. Build stronger eyes from your kitchen. Nutrition matters, but your daily habits are just as important for eye health. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can cause dry, blurry eyes. Protect your eyes from UV rays with sunglasses that block 100% of UVA and UVB, and wear a wide-brimmed hat outdoors. Quality sleep is essential. Your eyes repair and refresh overnight. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep to prevent strain and irritation. If you smoke, quitting is the best thing you can do for your eyes. Smoking increases the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. The toxins in smoke damage blood vessels and antioxidants in your eyes. Combine these habits with a healthy diet and eye exercises for a powerful defense. Small lifestyle tweaks add up to big protection. Your vision is worth the effort. The future of eye care is brighter than ever, thanks to breakthroughs in science and technology. Genetics research is paving the way for personalized prevention plans and gene therapies for conditions like glaucoma and macular degeneration. Regenerative medicine and stem cell therapy offer hope for repairing damaged retinal cells. Smart contact lenses and AI are revolutionizing early detection and monitoring. These advances mean earlier intervention and better outcomes. The future isn't just about slowing vision loss, it's about restoring sight. Eye health science is moving fast, and the possibilities are exciting. We've uncovered the truth about vision loss, the limits of glasses and surgery, and the power of natural strategies. You're not a helpless passenger, you're the driver of your eye health. Start today. Practice the 20-20-20 rule, add leafy greens and salmon to your meals, and wear sunglasses outside. These small steps add up to lasting change. Don't wait for your vision to decline. Act now to protect your sight. Your eyes are your window to the world. They deserve your care. Embrace these habits and feel empowered. Share your commitment and support others on this journey. Your future is in focus. Take the first step today. Let's keep your vision clear for years to come.